Hello students, welcome to the maths class. So in the previous class we discussed number puzzle game in case of a subtraction of 3-digit numbers. We understood the whole concept regarding that, and I told you that I am going to discuss the question related to it in the next class. So here is the question. This is a question regarding that expression, regarding that concept. I hope you remember that concept. So let us start discussing the question. Without actual computation, find the quotient when the difference of 952 and 259 is divided by 9. Okay, so see here 2 3-digit numbers are provided to you, and they are asking you to find out the quotient when the difference of these two 3-digit numbers are divided by 9. ओके सो यहाँ पे 3-digit नंबर यूज हुए हैं, आपको डिफरेंस निकाल के और 9 से डिवाइड करके क्वेश्चन बताना. दैट मीन्स आपका 3-digit नंबर का सब्सट्रैक्शन वाला फॉर्मूला यहाँ पर यूज होगा नंबर पजल गेम्स का. ओके सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस इज 952, दिस इज अ 3-digit नंबर, एंड दिस 259, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ 3-digit नंबर. सो यू कैन अज्यूम 952 एज ABC, okay, and you can assume 259 as CBA according to the values which we took in our derivation now. So ABC is equals to 952 and CBA is equals to 259. Now tell me ABC, that is 952, is greater than CBA, that is 259 now. This 952 is greater than 259. Yes, it is. So that means ABC is greater than CBA. Okay, hence the value which is greater, from that value you will subtract the smaller one. So that means from ABC you will subtract CBA only now. You can't subtract that CBA, this ABC from CBA, na? You will subtract the CBA from ABC, okay? So that means this one is greater. So इसमें से हम CBA subtract करेंगे. हम CBA में से ABC नहीं subtract करेंगे, okay? So that means ABC minus CBA. Now put the values. So in place of ABC 952 minus in place of CBA 259. When you will solve this, you will get 693 as the difference value. Now in the question they are saying that you have to divide this difference value by 9 and you have to tell the quotient. And this whole chapter is all about that. You don't have to, as the question also says, you don't have to do the actual computation. You don't have to actually divide. You have to use the laws, you have to use the expressions, and you have to find out the answer. Okay, now tell me, there is an expression which I have told you in the previous class, if you remember that ABC minus CBA is divisible by 99 and the quotient is A minus C. ये expression मैंने आपको previous class में बताया था. यहाँ पे 99 यहाँ पे लिखा था, उसको हम नीचे भी तो ला सकते हैं ना. Okay, okay, now tell me, can you write this 99 as 9 into 11? Can this 99 be broken into two factors, 9 into 11? Yes, it can be, because 9 into 11 gives 99 only, na? So ABC minus CB upon 9 into 11 is equals to, quotient is A minus C. Now I only have to use 9 here as a divisor, okay? So transpose this 11 to the opposite side, okay? So transposing 11 to the opposite side, it was in division. So on transposing to right hand side, it will go in multiplication now. So ABC minus CB divided by 9 is equals to 11 within bracket A minus C. Okay, now can you use this expression for solving this question? Yes, we can use, because according to this question you have to divide this difference value जो कि आपको already 693 मिल चुकी है by 9 and you have to tell the question. Okay, so आप यहाँ पे values put करेंगे और इसमें values put करेंगे, so you will get the quotient value. So start putting the values. So ABC minus CBA is equals to 693, just we sorted it out. Okay, divided by 9, as they are saying you have to divide by 9. So divide by 9 is equals to, now you don't have to actually divide, because this whole chapter is all about that. You don't have to perform the actual computation. So put the values here, because हमको फॉर्मूले में पता है कि इसको सॉल्व करने पे हमें यही क्वेश्चन मिलता है. So यहाँ पे वैल्यूज अकॉर्डिंग रख दीजिए. 11 within bracket, in place of A कौन सी डिजिट है हमारी 9, so put 9 here, minus in place of C the digit is 2, so put 2 there. Now 9 minus 2 gives you 7. Okay, so 11 into 7 will give you 77. That means the answer to this question is 77. That means your quotient value which was being asked to you in the question is 77. Now I hope you will be able to solve questions of these types. Okay, moving on to next concept, which is the concept of test of divisibility. Now we are going to learn the rules that how we will check the divisibility by different numbers. Okay, so the first divisibility rule will be divisibility by 2. How we will check whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not, that we are going to discuss here. So the divisibility rule by 2 says a 2-digit number is represented by 10a plus b. You know now that the general form of a 2-digit number is 10a plus b, where 10 is the digit at tens place and b is the digit at unit place. Okay, the number 10 is already divisible by 2. 10 is supposed to be already divisible by 2. उसको कंसिडर किया जाता है कि जो भी टेंस प्लेस की डिजिट होगी वो 2 से ऑलरेडी डिविजिबल होगी, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आप एक ही जगह जो भी टेंस प्लेस की डिजिट अगर उसको पुट करेंगे तो वो 10 से मल्टीप्लाइड फॉर्म में रहेगी. सो वो कुछ 10, 20, 30, 40 इस तरह से आ जाएगी, और ये जितने नंबर्स होते हैं ये सब 2 से ऑलरेडी डिवाइड होते हैं. सो दैट मीन्स यू डोंट हैव टू बॉदर अबाउट दिस टेंस प्लेस डिजिट, यू जस्ट हैव टू फोकस ऑन द यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट. ओके, सो आगे बढ़ते हैं हम. बी द नंबर 10 इज ऑलरेडी डिविजिबल बाई 2. ओके, that means b has to be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 to make 10a plus b to be divisible by 2. अब हमको पता है कि टेंस प्लेस की डिजिट ऑलरेडी 2 से डिविजिबल है, सो हमारा पूरा फोकस यूनिट प्लेस की डिजिट पे होगा. अगर यूनिट प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6 या 8 में से कोई भी डिजिट प्रेजेंट है उस 2 डिजिट नंबर में, सो दैट मीन्स वो 2 डिजिट नंबर आपका 2 से डिविजिबल कंसिडर होगा, अगर इन सब में से कोई भी डिजिट यूनिट प्लेस पे है. लेट अस कंसिडर एन एग्जांपल. सो 28. नाउ in 28, 2 is the digit at tens place, and I said you don't have to check the digit at tens place because it is considered already to be divisible by 2. इसको पहले से मान लिया जाता है कि ये 2 से divisible है, because 2 की टेंस प्लेस की डिजिट 10 ही होती है. अगर आप देखिए इस क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग 2 है, तो एक की जगह अगर 2 रख दीजिए, 10 into 2 आपको 20 मिल जाएगा, तो 20 तो ऑलरेडी डिविजिबल बाई 2 होगा ना. इसीलिए कहा गया टेंस प्लेस की डिजिट पे फोकस मत किया करिए, यू जस्ट चेक द यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट. सो यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या है, 8 है, और आपसे कहा गया था 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 में से कोई भी डिजिट अगर यूनिट प्लेस पे हो, सो दैट मीन्स द होल 2 डिजिट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाई 2. सो दैट मीन्स 28 इज डिविजिबल बाई 2 बिकॉज द यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट इज 8 over here.